Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a cute cat step by step. So grab your paper, markers, and colors, and let's get started.
Okay.
First, I draw a big circle for the cat's head. Now, let's add 2 pointy ears on top of the head, just like little triangles. And draw 2 small legs at the bottom.
Wow!
Next, I draw another circle for the body, right under the head, and connect it to the legs.
Yahoo!
Let's add some arrows to show the next steps. Draw 2 little eyes, a cute smiley mouth, and a long curvy tail. Wow! Our cat drawing is ready! Great job, everyone! Now it's time to color. First, color the head circle with a nice light brown. Then, use a similar color for the body and the head to keep it matching. Color the body with a darker maroon shade. Use pink for the inside of the ears. And don't forget, use the same colors for the mouth, ears, body, and tail to keep it colorful and fun. And finally, I go over everything with a black marker to make it pop and look super neat. Yay! Our cute cat drawing and coloring is complete. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye.